How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Today I kind of want to do something different. Today I kind of want to talk about the tariffs, the market, everything that's kind of going on. And for starters, I kind of just want to start off with a short clip of Fox News today talking about the Nasdaq and the big spike, and also talking about some news that Trump came out with today. So here it is here.
Look at your screen right there as you are seeing the Dow surge as this 90-day pause is now hitting Wall Street, and investors are continuing to buy up these stocks here as they are feeling much more confident. The stock market just boomerang right now from when it was at its lows yesterday when we were seeing massive sell-offs. We also see that President Trump is raising tariffs on China to 125%. So President Trump ordering a 90-day pause on some tariffs, but also raising tariffs to 125% as well. All right, we are getting us the full statement here by President Trump, and this is what caused the big surge here. So President Trump saying on Truth Social, based on the lack of respect that China has shown to the United States markets, I am hereby raising the tariff charged to China by the United States of America to 125%, effective immediately. At some point, hopefully in the near future, China will realize that the days of ripping off the USA and other countries is no longer sustainable or acceptable. Based on the fact that more than 75 countries have called representatives of the United States, including the Departments of Commerce, Treasury, and the USTR, to negotiate a solution to the subjects being discussed relative to trade barriers, tariffs, currency manipulation, and non-monetary tariffs, and that these countries have not, at my strong suggestion, retaliated in any way, shape, or form against the United States, I have authorized a 90-day pause and a substantially lower tariff during this period of also 10% effective immediately. Thank you for your attention on this matter.
Well, let's take a look at CNBC. CNBC came out with a report today. Dow surges almost 3,000 points today. Literally 3,000 points. One of the highest surges since 2008. This is all in one day. Now let's look at the Nasdaq chart. Look at this. We're up 12.16% in one day. Literally in one day. Everyone's scared. Everyone's like, what's going on? What's going on? What am I going to do? It's going to go back up. Be patient. Don't rush the process. It's a process. I know it's a long process, but it is a process. So look, we were down, I believe we were down 16% already. But look, we already made more than half of that back. We're up 12.16% right now. I do still think the market has room to go down. We have to take every day with a grain of salt. We don't really know what's going on. Every day is a new day. Every day is a new news day. So play every day by every day, if that makes sense. So right now in this market, if you're an option trader or a day trader, I honestly would take a step back and reevaluate. I wouldn't try to rush into a put or rush into a call, because like I said, you can't be too bullish and you can't be too bearish of what's going on right now. Put a little bit of money in here and there and start DCAing, because the stocks are going to go back up. It's not going to stay bearish for forever. As you can see, with that 90-day hold, the stock surged 12.16%, and we still have 125% tariffs on China. Like, so the market we want to go up. The market will go up. So we just have to be patient and take our time right now. I'm also starting to think that the White House leaked that first news, because there was some false news that came out yesterday saying that Trump was going to put a 90-day hold on, and they seem to be spot on. Like, come on now. Then he comes out today and there is a 90-day hold. I feel like they plan. Like, they're literally playing. They know what they're doing. All these big investors and all these millionaires, billionaires, they're still buying. They're still investing. So what are we going to do? We're going to be DCing. We're going to be paying attention. We're going to be following their moves. We're going to be seeing how they react to the news. No one likes the terrorists, not even the millionaires and billionaires. But they do love when the stock market goes down because they can buy more. So this is just another buying opportunity. But again, take your time, be patient, don't rush into a buy, don't rush into a sell, don't rush into a call, don't rush into a put. Be patient, follow the news, and take every day with a grain of salt. We're going to be back bullish. Who knows when? As you can see, again, we want to go up. So it's just a matter of time before everything kind of just settles down and we can finally get back on the bull train. But right now, we're just teeter-tottering right in the middle. Be patient and let's build this generational wealth together. Thanks for watching.